Today, Andrew and I are going to show you just how easy it is to install the EWS MaxFlow under counter water filter. First, you'll shut off your cold water.
All right, got it.
Then you'll connect the filter to the wall bracket. Push it in, turn it to the right, and click it into place. Next, we're going to install the wall bracket to the wall.
Thank you. All righty, let's see here. Got it.
Disconnect the cold water line from the existing shutoff valve.
All right, disconnected.
And install the white line from the water filter.
Thank you. Installed.
Then connect the blue line from the filter to the cold line of the faucet.
Thank you. All right, let's see here. Connect it.
Turn the cold water back on and check for leaks.
Okay. Let's see. Looks good, no leaks.
That's it. Let the cold water run for 10 minutes to flush the lines. Then you'll have purified water coming directly from the faucet and no need for bottled water.